In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play UFC 5 split screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect and use multiple controllers on UFC 5. You will be able to do this regardless of the console, so Xbox or PlayStation. First, you will have to connect an additional controller and assign a user account. So you can connect it using a cable, so plug it into any of the available USB ports on your console, or alternatively connect it wirelessly. This is going to depend on the controller. For PlayStation, you have to press the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds, and for Xbox, you have to press the connect button. So once the controller is connected, either assign a user account or create a guest profile. Regardless of which one you choose, you need to assign at least one of them to get this to work. So once you have assigned either the user or the guest account, you are basically good to go. Now, inside of the game, from the home screen, choose Fight Now. Fight Now is meant to be where you can set up quick matches and play against your friends or AI. So in here, browse through all of the events, and all that you have to do is select any of them and choose the option to start. You can optionally go into the settings to change other stuff related to this match, but the most important one is just the start button. Immediately upon doing this, you will see the two controllers and you will be able to assign them to each corner, usually the red and blue corner. So all that you have to do is assign the controllers to different corners, so essentially player 1 and player 2, and once this is done, you are good to go. Each of you will be able to pick your fighters, and you will be able to play together sharing the same screen. There is no secret to this, and it will work on any platform. All that you need to do is connect the controller before going into Fight Now, and after you go into Fight Now, you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to play UFC 5 with two controllers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.